sounds like
So, could you tell us a little about your child?
Ryan is a brave kid, and he was born 2018, October 15. And since we moved to Gambia, he's been having health issues off and on, most frequently, and it's been affecting his education a lot. So, yeah.
What happened during your child's most recent serious illness?
Yeah, recently he had sepsis. In March 25th, thereabout, he had sepsis, and it was really serious and really devastating for me as a mother. So I had to speak to friends to try to find more solution for his health outside Gambia.
So how did you decide to come to Turkey for treatment?
I saw an advert from a friend on his app, and he posted an Health Med consultant company that does with Medical Point. They work together, and I had to ask him some questions, and he gave me a number to call and go to their office to make more inquiries about coming to Turkey.
What impressed you the most when you first arrived at the hospital?
The most impressive was the hospitality and the welcoming from the staffs here, and the fact that coming here I was really tensed because I don't know what I'm going to expect, but when I arrived here I got a welcoming, rather progressive and relaxing character that helped me more at ease with the whole situation, I can say.
How would you describe the doctor's approach towards your child's treatment?
Basically, they are professionals, so they know better. And his approach towards Ryan, it's comforting for me because it gives me a way ahead. Like for the future, I have more, what's it called? I can say I have more relaxed mind that everything is fine now. With the doctors, I don't know.
Was traveling to the hospital a difficult process for you?
I can say the trip, yes, was quite long with the flights, but aside that, every other thing was fine because the company and the hospital, they helped a lot with the visa process and everything. Yeah.
Do you feel safer and more reassured now?
Yes, I feel more reassured now. At least I had a lot of questions before coming from Gambia, and now I have more answers that I couldn't get while I was in Gambia.
If another family member is going through a similar situation and is watching you right now, what would you like to say to them?
I would say they should come to Turkey, and they should come to Medical Point and get more answers to their problems or the child's sickness, you know. Because in Gambia, I couldn't get so much answers, to be sincere.
Which tests were performed here that could not be performed in Gambia?
It's called CD4 counts and CD8 counts and radio CD4/CD8 and the Rosette tests. And I had to add more tests while I was here. It was more easier here. I can say basically a big thanks to the consulting company that brought me to introduce me to Medical Point. And I say a big thanks to Medical Point, to Turkey, the country itself also. And I appreciate the work done. It wasn't like I came for a main surgery or whatever, but just the questions and answers I got, it's more than enough for me, and I really appreciate that. It's a big thanks to Medical Point. Thank you so much. And Ryan, what do you have to say? Thank you to Medical Point.